Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first of all, the first method, you have to open your phone application, then open the keyboard on it and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can see your IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. In the second method for it, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, advanced, about phone, and here you can find your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also in the section model and hardware you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.